Alright, first things first, I really want to apologize because something happened with my recording and it just got cut off like at the very top. I must have done something weird when I started recording, so I apologize for that. I'm gonna fix it for the next speed paint, but on the bright side, I didn't lose anything. It's just that little top part that's gonna be bothering me for the rest of my life. This speed paint was actually one of the best, in my opinion, that I've ever done. Um, I don't think Shadow of the Colossus gets enough artwork, like, from fans. It's a really good game, it's really atmospheric, and I just love Avion. Avion is like the best Colossus, and you can't tell me otherwise because it's the best. It's a bird. Fun fact, his name actually just straight up means plane in Spanish, so that's something. The thing that I had the most trouble with in this one is the background. I didn't know what to do with it. I ended up doing a bunch of clouds because I just imagine you like looking up at this, like hearing a roar, and then just looking up and you see this, and it's like real value your life choices, you know? But I also think I got that sort of elegance that the Colossi have, because the Colossi, they're kind of like really elegant and serene and peaceful, like before you start killing them. So I think I managed to capture that pretty well with this one. I also tried a few more technical stuff, like I tried to do different brushes, like for the fur. I really went all out with this one. So I'm proud of it. I know I'm gonna look back at this in like a couple of years and say, oh my god, what was I thinking? But I don't know. I'm confident in saying that I really like it. So that being said, I will see you guys on Monday with the next video, and I hope you enjoy.